Hey, it's a new day. Jay's out here washing his bike up. Today the 400EX gets graphics. Banshee's sitting over here waiting for a new top end. I ain't gonna tell y'all just yet what kind of top end it's getting, but it's definitely gonna be some changes. I got all my parts sitting over here. Anyway, today's video, we got Jay's graphics. Yeah. So we're putting these graphics on. So Jay's getting it cleaned up. So y'all stay tuned. Hey.
Craig is really concentrating. This is the first lane.
I'm gonna get this one right, man.
Gotta get it right, bro. I feel like this is the only one that's really gonna be have to be right because of that circle.
Yeah. Yeah.
You didn't like the way it was on?
Nope.
Gonna,
Nope. I'm going on again.
Gonna do it again. All right, bro, we got the first one laid now.
Yep. Now the rest is easy.
You say that now. We shall see.
Yeah.
So, man, what's your thoughts on the decal kit, man?
Man, Mike makes awesome decal kits, man. These things are like super thick. You can pull them off easy. So in case you make a mistake, like we did, or like I did.
Yeah.
You can pull it off a couple times. But I've been running on my bike, and you see my bike, man. They're still in good shape. Oh, let's start the show.
Hey. I'm glad I came out here looking cute.
Yeah, I know. This is my amazing, beautiful wife, Tina.
Hello, hello.
Say hi to the fans.
Hey, fans.
Oh, we're putting this graphic kit on Jay's bike.
That's good.
All right, bro, we got the first one laid now.
Yep. Now the rest is easy.
You say that now. We shall see.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. You got that thing laying good, man.
Yeah, she's looking good.
You know what you know about 400 EXs, man?
I learned how to ride on a 400EX, man.
Yeah?
Yep.
So this bike's where it's at.
This bike's where it's at.
Damn good bike.
Perfect trail bike, man. Plenty of power. Make a ton of stuff for him. Squeegee out. Squeegee. See how you like if that's laying right. You like it right there.
Look at it.
Yeah, okay. This one right here means something to you, huh?
Yeah, man.
Tell me the significance.
Hey, you know, I'm a former Army, the Wounded Warrior Project. These guys really kind of like helped me out with my PTSD. You know what I mean? How to cope with it and how to like help me identify these things that like trigger my PTSD, man. So if I'd have never went to that therapy session that they had, I never would have like know how to deal with it.
That's what's up, man. Got a little tribute going on, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I like it. What's up, man?
And look at that. Man, look at that. Tribute.
Tribute? What'd you say? Cheroot?
Man, I thought I said tribute, but I thought I was saying it wrong. Tribute?
Tribute, man.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Tribute.
Tribute. That's what I'm saying.
Tribute.
Why I feel like I'm saying it wrong though?
It's
Look
one
at
of
that.
the weird words you
Look
don't
at that,
say
man.
much.
Look at that, man. Gosh, boy. Come on.
Come on, man. Y'all want some graphics like this? You hit up Mike at G Spot Graphics. Got a card right here. Graphic Spot.
Bam.
User friendly, nice and easy to put on, nice and thick.
What you feel about that side right there, man? Now that you got the graphics laid.
Feel good about it, man. Looks sweet.
She looks fast.
Yeah, makes it look faster. Don't it? Graphics always make it look faster. Did you rub right here?
I rubbed all the way around, bro. Everywhere the decals lay, I already rubbed it down.
Alright.
I'm a professional rubber.
That's what I heard. Hey, man. You get my squeegee, man?
Man, I'm doing one job already, bro.
Okay, you filming. Alright. I get all quiet when I start doing this,
I
man.
know, right?
Get
So much
concentration, man.
You focus, man.
Yeah, man.
And you took so long on the first one, man. I was like, oh my god, hurry up.
Oh man, just you gotta get into a groove, you know.